Every restored car tells a story, but not every restoration tells the truth. Today, anyone can buy fresh paint, polish old rims, call it a restoration, but that's not what restoration means to us. Restoration is about respect. Respect for the engineer who built these cars, respect for the craftsmanship required to bring them back, and respect for the owner that has trusted us with something irreplaceable. Hi guys, Mohammed Khan here from Glossworx. We specialize in premium restoration, refinishing bespoke automotive craftsmanship. Over the years, we have worked on everything from modern performance cars to classic BMWs. But the E30 BMW is different. It's honest, it's mechanical, and it's timeless. Every line has a purpose, and every bolt tells a story. So the biggest misconception is that restoration starts off with paint. No, it doesn't. Restorations start off with taking a car completely apart. Both these cars next to me were stripped completely down to bare metal. Now that allows us to expose hidden rust, poor previous repairs, and years of wear before rebuilding the car correctly. We don't paint over history, guys. We rebuild it. So guys, this is my favorite part. Favorite part is always the engine. Most people will see just an engine. I see hundreds of individual decisions. Just take a look. Look at those strut towers. Look at the rocker cover. Look at the stainless steel exhaust headers, and look at the wiring, all perfectly put in place. Every bracket was refinished or replaced. A clean engine isn't created by detailing, it's created by restoring every single component.
Got the biz, though.
people ask why we build a 2.9 stroker instead of fitting a modern engine. Because this isn't chasing the biggest horsepower number. It's about preserving the character of the M20 while improving torque, durability and reliability. The goal is quite simple when it comes to Glossworx. Build the best version of what BMW originally created, and that is the M20. So this is where craftsmanship lives. It's all in the panel gaps, the paint finish, the trim alignment. I find that so important when it comes to a build on a car, and the correct hardware. Most people won't consciously notice these things, but they immediately recognize this quality when they see it. So people often think we are in the business of restoring cars. We are not. We are restoring confidence. Confidence that craftsmanship exists. Confidence that quality still matters. Confidence that the right way is always worth doing. Every vehicle that leaves Glossworx carries out our name. And that is long after the customer has forgotten the invoice. Guys, thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for your support. Please guys, if you liked the content, because there's a lot more to come, click on that like and subscribe. And until then, my name is Mohammed Khan and we see you again.